While the EE Box Mini provides Freeview access without a subscription, there are several important limitations you need to understand before making your decision. First, you'll lose access to EE's premium channel packages. This means no Sky Sports, BT Sport, or other premium entertainment channels that come with paid subscriptions. You'll also lose multi-room connectivity, meaning you can't connect multiple EE boxes throughout your home. Recording functionality is severely limited compared to subscription users. It's crucial to understand that you still need a valid TV license to watch live television, even when using Freeview without a subscription. This is a legal requirement in the UK. While you can access streaming apps like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, you'll need separate subscriptions for premium content within those apps. The box doesn't include these streaming subscriptions. Finally, remember that Freeview quality depends entirely on your local signal strength and aerial quality. For streaming features, you'll need a stable broadband connection, which adds to your monthly costs. These limitations mean that while the EE Box Mini can provide basic Freeview access, the total cost, including TV license, broadband, and streaming subscriptions, may still be significant.